Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab E10, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, by default, I believe we should have it, though. Yeah, we do. So it's right over here as a second toggle. But if you don't see it by default, you could press right over here on this pencil. This will show you toggles that are turned off. And once you find the Do Not Disturb mode somewhere here, you just grab it like this. It gets lifted up a little bit and then you can drag it to the top. And when you drop it, it will be added. So when you go back, you'll have access to it. In any case, once you see your Do Not Disturb toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will actually function. There isn't very many options, but still, you can check it out and change it to fit your exact needs. There's also automatic rule, meaning schedule, so there's a couple pre-made ones by the looks of it. You can change those if you want, and if you're planning to use a schedule mode, you just, for instance, either create your own or click on one of those, and then all you need to do is make sure that it is toggled on in here. And from there, the device will be turning on Do Not Disturb mode at the provided day of the week, start, and then it will be turning it off at the end time. So there we go. But for everyone else who wants to use this mode manually and obviously occasionally, just find the toggle and simply tap on it. And as you can see, it gets enabled. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it once more to turn it off. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.